Hi, I'm Norman from Get Set Up. You may have gotten used to using tools like Word and Excel, and most likely you use them primarily for your own needs, which many of us did. And then Google came along and developed programs like Google Docs and Google Sheets and Google Slides, which were meant to compete with Microsoft's programs. But they also added functionality that Microsoft programs initially didn't have, and that is to collaborate with other people. In this class, we will offer suggestions on how you can use the various Google tools to collaborate with other people on projects. We will explain how they work, what limitations they might have, and it's a little tricky sometimes to share things and to decide how to do that. We'll also teach you how to monitor activity in projects where you may be collaborating with other people using some of these Google tools. So please join us. I'm sure that you will find some useful tips that you'll be able to put to immediate use. We look forward to welcoming you as part of our Get Set Up community. See you in class. Bye.